Okay, you guys can't see me, but I'm going to show you the sky. It keeps lighting up like a Christmas tree. Whoa! Whoa. Mom and I are out here
Enjoying it.
just loving it. Oh, come on. Can't see it on the screen. Look.
Can't see it.
Darn.
That was a good one.
Oh, that one could have been there. Oh, whoa, I think I got that. It's hard to tell what I'm getting. Whoa. There's so much cloud coverage that it's making it, some of them, hard to see. Wow, listen to the thunder. Whoa! I wish you guys could see this. It's so amazing. Oh, it's
Further away.
It's raining. And I'm walking out in the street to try to get some of the lightning bolts. Oh, darn. I hope you guys can see this because it's so beautiful and amazing. Whoa! I can't even capture it all because it's happening so quick. It's like one right after another. Whoa. It's like one will end up over on the right, and then one will be on the left, and then one will be on the right, and then one in the middle. And I'm getting wet. Whoa. All they're gonna hear is whoa, whoa. They're not gonna see anything. Whoa. Yeah. It's like people like turning on lights. That's what it's like. And then they, whoa, there was over there. It might, whoa, that one was pretty.
I was looking the other way.
I got a little bit of it. I got that one. There's a car coming up the street. Come on, lightning bolts. I love it that I'm like standing out in the rain. Video recording. Whoa! Black sky.